Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to set up your Brother machine on a wireless network. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. You will need to gather some information about your wireless network in order to connect your machine. You will need to know the SSID or network name of your router or access point. And you'll need to know your network key or password. The default settings for your router or access point can be found on the equipment label. If your SSID or network key contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, be sure to record them, as both of these credentials are case sensitive. If you set up a custom SSID and network password and cannot recall this information, please contact your router manufacturer. Setup cannot be accomplished without this information. Begin by pressing the Wi-Fi button. Press the up or down arrows repeatedly until the Find Wi-Fi Network option appears. Then press OK. Press the right arrow to enable WLAN. Select your SSID or network name, and press OK. Enter your network key using the arrow keys and the number pad. Press OK after each digit is selected. Confirm that your network key is correct, and arrow down to the OK option on the screen. Then press OK. Now that your machine is connected, you'll need to add the printer in the operating system. In the top left corner, click the Apple icon. Then click System Settings. Next, click Printers and Scanners. Click the Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax button located below the printers list. Your machine should now display in the Add Printers window. Select your Brother machine from the list. Then click Add. If your machine is not found, it is most likely due to an error in device discovery protocols. You'll need to reboot your computer and the Brother machine and attempt device discovery again. Once added, your Brother machine is ready to print. If your model features a scanner, you'll need to download the Brother iPrint&Scan app in order to scan to your computer. From the Finder, navigate to Applications, and then App Store. In the search box, type Brother iPrint&Scan. Then press Enter. On the listing for iPrint&Scan, click Get or the cloud icon. After the download is complete, click Open. Review the privacy policy and click OK to continue. Then click Select your machine. Verify the connection is set to network. Select your model, and then click OK. Click OK again. All the functions your machine supports will be displayed in the iPrint&Scan window. You are now ready to scan and print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.